You guys, it looks like a kid's doll. Look at that. What the fuck was that? Joey? Joey? Hello? Dude. Hey guys, what's up? So it's Fran here, and real quick, I just wanted to say what just happened. So I was walking out of my house and I'm about to go film a video, coming soon, you'll see. But I was walking out of my house, my mom's sitting on the couch talking to my she looks me up and down and she goes, "Where are you going looking like that?" She was saying it in like a funny way though, not like a, you was like, "You dress so weird." And I go to her, I go, "I don't dress weird, I'm unique. Look at my outfit, you guys." So I have this ripped up pink sweater from literally Walmart. And what happened was I bought it and it wasn't ripped when I bought it. And I was like, to one of my best friends, Danielle, was still alive. I go, "We should rip this." And we just cut it up. Like, she cut the whole thing up. I cut up the front, she cut up the back. And I put a Nickelodeon themed, the Rugrats green dinosaur. He's right there. And I have these white, I don't know, you guys, it was just so funny. But the reason I'm dressed like this is because I'm going to an abandoned mental asylum, another one, and I don't want to stick out, so I mean, I probably do stick out now that she mentioned that I do. But anyways guys, I just didn't want to wear all black and look like sus. Well, I am sus, but I don't want the cops to like see me, because you can't really get permission to go in this place. So unfortunately we kind of have to just sneak our way in. But we're not gonna vandalize or destroy property. We're just gonna take pictures, record. Yeah. All right, I'll see you guys soon. Hey guys, what's up? I'm with Joey again. And we are here walking towards an abandoned mental asylum. This place is pretty sus. So far we got nowhere. We had to take an Uber down the street because there's nowhere to walk. And yeah, we're hoping that we can get some cool pictures in front of it, because this place isn't that easy to get into, right Joey? Yeah. So see, it's like state property and whatever, but I see a lot of people coming here and it's like no one ever gets yelled at or in trouble. So yeah. All right you guys, I don't recommend anybody trying to do this. I mean, we are technically trespassing, but it's not really. It's so tempting. They leave the place open. They make it so simple. And we just want to explore. That's all. It is a Sunday afternoon. It's about 1 p.m. Yeah, so we're here. There's some abandoned houses down. Joey's like wicked paranoid, you guys. Look at this, guys. It says Horizon on that sign. It's pretty cool. And someone just walked out. It was like, "Hey." Yeah, so we're not gonna go into any of these because I don't know, it just like looks like we shouldn't be in there. Genesis, look at that. Alright guys, another abandoned house. Not really sure what these were. Maybe the doctors or nurses like lived on campus. You think so? Joey's like low-key freaking out for nothing, but it's okay. Okay, let's go. You ready? Yeah, I'm ready. You guys, freaking out. He really is. So Joey's been here before and he knows this little trail. There's literally no one here. There might be a security guard, but guys, not to mention, I'm wearing bright baby pink. I don't know why I did that, but I did. And I have like this. Oh wait, I already showed them. Look at this. Joey. Guys, look at this. The cellar's open and someone drew that. Why would I hate when people vandalize? I really do. It looks cool, but vandalizing is so childish. I mean, seriously, It's like these places might not be so hot and like get you in trouble if you like didn't vandalize.
Exactly.
Like, I know it's a little dangerous maybe, but for urban explorers, this is pretty sick, you guys. Look at this. It's really cool. It's honestly amazing. It's a caterpillar. You guys, I love caterpillars. Look at them.
So cute.
Alright, so I guess yeah. I don't know. Oh, that one's open too. So look at this, guys. This is what it looks like. It's pretty cool. Why don't we go on that one?
What?
That one's open. I came here during the day because, okay. Okay guys, so we're going in. Wow, this is so cool. We're kind of just gonna scope through quick. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It's like I can feel negative energy. Mass trash. Oh, okay guys, so we kind of have to be wicked quiet because we obviously don't want to get in trouble. I mean, we're not here to cause trouble, but we are here to explore. That's what we do, sus gang. So, this is a hospital for the mentally insane, right? This is an insane asylum. If you guys see anything on camera that I didn't catch, please let me know.
It's like going to the tunnel, possibly upstairs.
This way. Okay, guys, I was gonna ask for permission somehow to come in here, but I didn't know how to do that, so I just came. I don't suggest that though. Okay guys, so I found this chair. Super sus. Electrical box. Guys, this place is so creepy. Oh my gosh, that's satanic. Look at this place. You guys, I don't suggest coming to these places by yourself, or if you don't know what you're doing, I don't suggest coming here, okay? I am doing this because I'm experienced with this. I've been doing this for a longer time than I think any of you probably understand. And look at this. Whoa, this looks like an old doll, Joey. You guys, it looks like a kid's doll. Look at that. What the fuck was that? Joey? Joey! Oh, he scared me. It was just Joey. See, like, this is cute, but you guys, totally do not do this. Are you in? Alright, guys, it looks like that might have been a freezer, right? You guys, we're not destructing property, we're not doing anything. We are just here to explore the remains of this beautiful place before it gets turned down. Alright, Joey tends to take like 500 pictures of one thing, and then he complains how his phone is slow.
True.
Oh wow, there's still a note from this place. What it was. Let's see what's in here. It's a freezer. Some beautiful artwork, I have to say. Oh, that's the monster from... What is he from? Okay. Ew, it's a men's room. I don't want to go in there. Yeah, I'm all good. Note to self. Anytime you go anywhere abandoned, there's nothing in the bathrooms, guys. Ever. Except for rotten smell. Looks like someone was playing golf in here. Look, the golf ball, just right there. Look, someone wrote this on there. Tunnels that way. Should we go? Sure. Check. Be really careful. So much glass. Okay, let's go. Shh. Hello. Dude, you hear that? You guys, I hear something. It's kind of freaking me out. The place is kind of sketch, not gonna lie. There's a fence. Okay. Oh, look. What is this? Satanic freaking rituals. You guys, this is no joke. Somebody. What is on the ground? You guys, look at this. This gloves. Bad ideas. Bad ideas, what? I don't know what it says. God is dead. Oh my god. What am I studying on? I don't know what that is, but it's freaking the fuck up. You guys, people and Satan. She chose down. Whoa, you guys, look at this. This computer. What the hell? This is... I don't know what this stuff is, but it's pretty cool. Oh, God. Whoa. I mean, look at this. Like, see this? This building's really old and it's making noises, and I keep thinking I hear people. Like, why is there so much soap powder? Is this place... Well, this place is pretty dirty, but... Look at people must drink in here. Local kids, there's Twisted Teas in there. I mean, people come in here clearly all the time. Wow. You guys, look at this. It's like one of those luggage things for, I'm guessing when the patients would come, this is what they would put their luggage on. An old computer, ice trays, there's water dripping. You guys, what the hell is that? I don't know, but I don't want to find out. Can anyone tell me what this is? My camera takes forever. What is this? You guys, one thing I can say is this place is definitely haunted. I'm not no psychic, but I have good intuition and I can feel things. And I just, oh, let's go down there. And I just feel like there's crazy people here. Like, I feel like they're still here. Like, what is Joey? Where are you? I keep hearing stuff.
Oh.
That is sus. I feel like somebody like plants these cool things here. Let's go. Shh. I heard someone walking upstairs. It's so cold in this room. Oh my gosh, this room is so cold. It's like we just walked into like the frozen part of this place. Always look where you're walking, Joey. I definitely feel spirits here. I can't see or hear them, but you can just feel them if you really try. This is just raw footage, you guys. I'm just showing you the honest truth of these abandoned explorations. I mean, I go because I think it's a piece of art, honestly. What's in here? Nothing. God, Danielle would love this place. I can't remember because. A lot of water right there. Jesus Christ. So guys, there's tunnels in here, but we are not prepared to go into a tunnel right now, so we're not gonna. Right, Joey? Okay, you need to watch out, you okay? Okay. The door just hit you? It moved by itself?
No.
Ew, be careful. Look at all this. Guys, this is like really gross. It's so dangerous. Yeah, this is why, unless you're experienced, I wouldn't recommend. Oh God. Hold on. Wait for me. Joey just keeps getting hurt. Look at how dangerous this is. That wasn't safe at all. Can you take a pic? Alright guys. Oh my God. The walls are like, oh my God. Bad day to wear white. Guys, I just want you to see what we're dealing with here. Why do people do this? Come on. We're just walking on basically like old rusty floors, you guys. This looks like it might have been a kitchen. There's a bunch of plates. There's plates everywhere. There's a milk carton. Yeah. So we're back where we began. I'm kind of happy about that because this place is like really, really decayed. Urban decay, do you get it? Urban decay. Nice. Guys, we have to be really quiet in here because this window's open and everything. But this looks like a parlor or some type of living room just by the art, like the wall, how it's crafted. I don't know how you would say that, but look at this. It literally, oh my God, somebody took a shit. Look at that. There's literally shit right there. Oh my God, there's literally shit. Look. You smell it?
You know, that's probably what they want us to walk across.
Yeah, but it smells so bad. Somebody literally pooped. You guys, besides some poop on the windowsill telling us to walk on the roof, you definitely, Joel, do you think you feel some souls here?
A little bit.
Like maniacs. It's kind of giving me the vibe of like, you probably shouldn't be here right now. Look at this. But we're just exploring. We're not here to disturb peace, right?
Yeah.
We're very respectful people. And to all the patients that were here before. Oh, by the way, this is the main building, so was there patients in here, or was this like the dining hall and stuff?
Yeah, it's always been a bunch of different buildings, so there were patients that here at one point.
There were patients in this building at one point, but there's so many buildings here, you guys. I don't think we can hit all of them, just because, like I said, we're not supposed to be here, so we're technically on state property, but, I mean, I've seen so many people come here, even post pictures of, or time-lapse videos of them spray painting. Beautiful art, but you know, it's not your place to spray paint, you guys. So we're gonna keep looking around, show you guys what's up, and I just want you guys to see what this place is like and what it's like to explore these places, because it's not really what you guys think. I mean, I see a lot of YouTubers posting videos acting like, I mean, there is some haunted places, don't get me wrong, but some people force it. Like, I see people acting a whole lot, and it's just like, not believable, sorry. It's good entertainment, though. Someone will help. You can get on the roof, you guys. Probably not safe. I mean, there are footprints on there, but I'm not about to do that. Yeah, this place is really cool though. It's cool to see where, you know, I mean, you guys just need to look up the background of all asylums. I'm not gonna give the name of this one, but the background of any asylum is pretty freaky. This place has to have been abandoned for at least 20 years, you guys, and that's at least. What is that? The window, you guys? Do you know who that is? I think I know who that is. Maybe it's another urban explorer.
Oh.
Alright. Let's, what? No, I want to get out.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Oh yeah. Okay, so guys, we're gonna go out because we just saw a car pull in. And we're not trying to get in trouble. So, yeah. I don't think he saw us. He was driving a Subaru though. I know I told you guys not to go in the bathrooms of any abandoned place, but you guys, as an example, it's just gross, you guys. It's really just disgusting. Oh, what is this? Okay, there's nothing in there. Oh, is that you in the Subaru?
No. Where did it go?
We found some more explorers, you guys. Did you see any security guards?
I don't see him. We saw the Subaru go.
That wasn't a security guy, though.
Oh, it's the light there. Is that security?
I think that's good. We found some other urban explorers, you guys. See, there's a lot of us out here, okay? Follow at SUSPLORE TV on Instagram. Here's some cool updates on what I'm gonna post and what I'm gonna post. Wow, we didn't go in the kitchen yet. This is the dishwasher. Yo. Alright, you guys, so we're gonna get out of here because there's more people in here and I'm not trying to make it more hot, so we're gonna let them explore and we're gonna head out of here, I think. I mean, people clearly have like major satanic rituals in here, I'm assuming, because there's satanic symbolism everywhere. Literally everywhere. It's like everything in here is just always so sad. I mean, I bet you people have killed themselves in here. It's sad to say, but it's probably true. Wow, look at this bookcase. What is, oh, it's a furnace, never mind. Or, I don't know what it is. If you guys do this, you definitely should wear a mask. I just don't because it's hard with my glasses. Don't ask questions. Alright, should we get out of here? We'll just leave and then we'll walk back where we came from and then we'll just take a little hike.
Do you want to go to the building across the street?